Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's Galaxy S26 series devices' new key details revealed. According to the latest available data, Samsung flagships will lose weight and the thickness of the Galaxy S26 Pro, Galaxy S26 Edge and Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphones. On the other hand, Samsung finally confirms Galaxy S26 Ultra battery capacity. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a pivotal addition to Samsung's flagship lineup. Leaks surrounding the device point to notable advancements in charging speed, power efficiency, and chipset technology. These updates suggest a deliberate focus on improving usability and performance, making sure the device meets the evolving needs of users, without resorting to drastic hardware overhauls. As it is reported by the Samiguru portal, the South Korean manufacturer will make the cases of its future Galaxy S26 series smartphones even thinner. As for the latest available data, the thickness of the Galaxy S26 Pro will be 6.7 mm, while its current model, the Galaxy S25, is 7.2 mm. The Galaxy S26 Edge case thickness will be 5.5 mm, while the Galaxy S25 Edge case thickness is 5.8 mm. The top model Galaxy S26 Ultra will be 7.8 mm thick, while the S25 Ultra will be 8.2 mm. According to the Samiguru portal, the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge is even thinner, but on the other hand, its battery capacity will increase from 3900 mAh to 4200 mAh. On the other hand, Samsung finally confirms Galaxy S26 Ultra battery capacity. According to China's Quality Certification Center, the rated capacity of 4155 mAh ensures consistent and dependable performance for everyday use. While some users may have anticipated a larger battery, Samsung's decision to maintain this capacity reflects a strategic emphasis on efficiency improvements rather than sheer size. This approach balances the device's weight, size, and performance, making sure a seamless user experience without compromising portability. In addition, one of the most anticipated upgrades in the Galaxy S26 Ultra is its 65 watts fast charging capability, a substantial improvement over the 45 watts charging offered by its predecessors. The presentation of the Galaxy S26 line is expected in early 2026, and on September 4th this year the Samsung Galaxy Event 2025 will take place, where the Galaxy S25 FE, Galaxy Tab S11, and Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will be announced. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.